Hi guys, this is Mrs. Tucker. I wanted to walk you through your instructions for your assignment today, September the 1st. So it's not posted right now inside of Google Classroom, but remember, you go to Google Classroom, go to classwork, and then look for the week 2 assignments, and it should be there. So you are going to click and you'll see that there is a video link for YouTube and this TED Talk inside the mind of a master procrastinator. You're going to watch the video. After the video, you will notice that I've attached some questions. There are 15 questions and then a general comment question at the end. From there, you're going to open a Jamboard and you are actually going to put your answers on the Jamboard. I know this says Avid 1, but just so you know, each Avid grade level will have that. This is something we're going to do differently though, so please pay close attention. What you're going to do is each person is going to respond on their own board. So you're going to come over here, use the tab for text, click right here, and you're going to type your first name and last name. Okay, now you can extend this out, you can move it over, do whatever you want so I can see who you are. So once somebody has their name on a board, guys, you cannot use this board. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to sticky note, and I'm going to answer question number 1 on one sticky note. Then I'm going to do question number 2 on another sticky note. I'm going to do question number 3 on another sticky note. And I'm going to keep going until I have answered all of the questions. Remember, I can move this around however I want, but you need to make sure you have enough room to answer all the questions. Now, once somebody has used this board, you can't use it. So if you click up here, you're going to add in a new board. You do the same thing. You click on the text box, click up here. You're going to put first name, last name. You can stretch this out again, put it wherever you like. Then you're going to use the sticky notes. You might want to change colors, and you're going to put 1 and then the answer and keep going from there. So by the time that I'm done for each class, I may have between 15 and 20 boards when we're done. So I'm going to leave these 2, but whoever comes first, go ahead and come in here and change this to your name, and you can move, delete these sticky notes if you want. Same thing here, but I'm going to leave those as an example for you. Remember, if you have questions, shoot me an email or send me a question on Google Classroom. Good luck, guys. Have a great day.